welcome to this meditation to relieve depression and anxious thoughts. Bring your focus to your breath and really pay attention to how your lungs expand and contract when you inhale and exhale. Let your breath flow however it wants to right now. Notice your jaw, and if you feel any tension here, just notice it, don't try to change anything. Now breathe into the sensations in your jaw, and as you exhale, allow it to release a little. Inhale again, imagine that you are breathing in new life, and when you exhale, let all fear completely fade. Take another breath in, and when you exhale, feel yourself let go of any worries. Notice how relaxed you are becoming right now. Let another breath come in naturally, imagining a bright future, and as you let it go, notice how depression eases and fades. A gentle wave of relaxation sweeps over you as you breathe in and out. Allow your breath to flow naturally now, let yourself feel calm and peaceful. You deserve this wonderful feeling of serenity. You are open now to receive new thoughts, and you open up even more with each breath you take to new and fresh energy. Notice how new ideas begin to present themselves to you. Bring up feelings of abundance, as if you have so much that your cup pours over for others to enjoy the abundance you have created. Breathe away anxious thoughts. It has us witness negative thoughts diminishing gradually, freeing us from the hold they have over us. Imagine that you are energized and have a zeal for life. Even if this is not true of your present self, imagine it vividly, and with as much detail as you can. See yourself full of energy and optimism. You can imagine it as if you are watching a movie of yourself if this helps, but see the colors brightly, and watch yourself full of ambition, taking steps towards achievement. Stay with your breath and allow your intentions to remain positive. Even if you don't feel positive in this moment, you can imagine what being joyful is like. So, breathe into this joy you are creating, and notice how you are consciously shifting any depressed or anxious thoughts right now into peaceful feelings instead, by following your breath. Breathe deeply and let your exhale completely relax you. Any thoughts that previously held you back become smaller and smaller. Watch negative thoughts diminish, little by little, as if you are riding away in a car and these negative thoughts are sitting along the roadside, shrinking into the distance as you ride away with ease. As you see them go, you are free from their grip. If you have any more negative thoughts rise, drop them off on the side of the road, by any creative means that arises, and ride away, watching them grow smaller until they are consumed by the horizon. Allow yourself a few moments to simply be. Notice and feel changes from this moment right now, and the difference between how you felt before you began this meditation. Your new thoughts find a new home within your inner being. Return your focus to your breath for a few moments. In your own time, whenever you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Good. Commend yourself for making these steps towards a better life. Accept this wonderful change to your new life. Take as much time as you'd like to just be in gratitude for several moments. Thank you.